all at midnight. Love everyone, even those who deny you, for hate is a luxury we cannot afford. Seek out those in need. Learn that he who delivers with one hand will always gather with two. Be of good cheer. Above all, remember that very little is needed to make a happy life. Look up, reach out, cling simply to God, and journey quietly on our pathway, forever with charity and a smile. When you depart, it will be said by all that your legacy was a better road than the one you found.
Truly, your message was an affirmation and confirmation that SPCF has provided you with every opportunity to realize your hopes and dreams. Quality education for students seeking choices that translate into successful careers and personal satisfaction has given you every advantage of bringing you closer to success. Awards and citations will now be presented to the graduates whose record of academic performance, active participation, and involvement to various activities and projects, and whose loyalties to the tenets of Systems Plus College Foundation have been exemplary. May I request our School Executive Vice President, Madam Lian Happy L. Bustamante, our School Administrator, Ms. Ophelia M. Liwag, to hand in the awards. Parents are requested to accompany them on stage to receive their awards. Our outstanding students for the academic year 2012-2013 from Hotel and Restaurant Services, Carla D. Guevara. From Hotel and Restaurant Services, Chilika Kayin D. Yanga. And our most outstanding student from Hotel and Restaurant Services for the academic year 2012-2013, Samir L. Garcia. Congratulations to all of you. To affirm your titles and degrees and acknowledge your stream, you will be required to stand as soon as your program is called. At this point, may I call on our college registrar, Ms. Nanita A. Lacson, for the presentation and recommendation of the candidates for graduation, and the School Executive Vice President, Madam Lian Happy L. Bustamante, for the conferment of titles and degrees.
Madam Bustamante, by the authority bestowed on me by the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, better known as TESDA, as Registrar of Systems Plus College Foundation, and acting upon the recommendation of the college faculty, may I present for your confirmation the 132 candidates for graduation for academic year 2012-2013. 110 of them completed the requirements for the course Hotel and Restaurant Services. And 22 of them took the 2-year tourism course. Madam, the candidates.
By the authority vested in me by the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority as Executive Vice President of Systems Plus College Foundation and acting upon the recommendation of the Academic Council, I now confirm your graduation this academic year 2012-2013. Congratulations, graduates.
Congratulations, graduates, and thank you, Ms. Lacson and Madam Bustamante. And now, we have come to one of the highlights of this celebration, the part in which all parents, guardians, family, and friends have been waiting for, a moment worth expecting, where all the graduates will individually walk up on stage to receive the symbolic conferment of their titles. May I call on once again the School Executive Vice President, Madam Lian Happy Bustamante, by our School Administrator, Ms. Ophelia M. Liwag, our IT Program Chair, Mr. Jane Galang, our Hospitality Management Program Chair, Ms. Maribeth Saladino, for the presentation and distribution of diplomas.
Hotel and Restaurant Services. Charmaine Abellejos, NC2 Pastor, Food and Beverage Services, Bartending, Housekeeping, and Front Office Services. Mark Julius and Alinas, NC2 Pastor, Food and Beverage Services, Bartending, Housekeeping, and Front Office Services. Kenneth C. Ariña, NC2 Pastor, Food and Beverage, Bartending, Housekeeping, and Front Office Services. Kimberly B. Oxterio, NC2 Pastor, Food and Beverage Services, Bartending, Housekeeping, and Front Office Services. Mariel V. Aison, NC2 Pastor, Food and Beverage Services, Housekeeping, Front Office Services, Best in Visibility Study. John Larry Q. Bacam, NC2 Pastor, Food and Beverage Services, Bartending, Front Office Services, and Best in Visibility Study. John Marie V. Bagorio, NC2 Pastor, Food and Beverage, Housekeeping, and Front Office Services. Bautista Jason Kevin M, NC2 Pastor, Food and Beverage, Bartending, Housekeeping, and Front Office, Best in Visibility Study. Kimberly Q. Bernadas, NC2 Pastor, Food and Beverage Services, Bartending, Housekeeping, Front Office Services, and Best in Visibility Study. Winston B. Blanco Jr. NC2 Passer, Food and Beverage Services, Bartending, Housekeeping, and Front Office Services. Krisha K. L. Bona, NC2 Passer, Food and Beverage Services, Bartending, Housekeeping, and Front Office Services. Gemma F. Bora, NC2 Passer, Food and Beverage Services, Bartending, Housekeeping, and Front Office Services. Jenica C. Cabitin, NC2 Passer, Food and Beverage Services, Bartending, Housekeeping. Jessie M. Cabitin, NC2 Passer, Food and Beverage Services, Bartending, Housekeeping, and Front Office Services. Bernaline R. Cabrera, NC2 Passer, Food and Beverage Services, Bartending, Housekeeping, and Front Office Services. Abigail A. Calueng, NC2 Passer, Food and Beverage Services, Bartending, Housekeeping, and Front Office Services. Maricris M. Capuno, NC2 Passer, Food and Beverage Services, Bartending, Housekeeping, and Front Office Services. Eric P. Carlos, NC2 Passer, Food and Beverage Services,